Turkish lentil soup, also known as mercimek çorbası, is such an easy and delicious soup that you can make in just a few minutes with a few ingredients. So tasty. Hi, I'm Shadi with Unicorns in the Kitchen. Let's make some Turkish red lentil soup. To make Turkish lentil soup, we just need a few ingredients. We need an onion, a carrot, some salt, tomato paste, spices including cumin, black pepper, and Aleppo pepper, also known as pul biber, and some red lentils. Now let's get cooking. Turkish lentil soup, also known as mercimek çorbası, is a very simple dish made with just a few ingredients. I'm going to also chop the carrots into small pieces. And that's basically all the vegetables we need for this soup. This is a very light soup that is very popular also in the restaurants. You can have it as an appetizer or as a light dish for lunch or dinner. I have my pot here heating and I have some olive oil in it. I'm going to start by sauteing the onions, like so. You just want to cook the onions long enough so they're golden, but not like really brown. Just enough that they're translucent and a little golden. Okay, the onion is quite translucent and it smells great. I'm going to add some tomato paste and sear the tomato paste just for a couple of minutes to make sure that it doesn't taste raw. This also would help the flavor and the color of the tomato paste to come out. I've sauteed the tomato for about a minute. I'm going to add the carrot, the red lentils, and the spices. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt and cook this for just about a minute. This smells so good. And the final step is to just add water. I'm going to stir this for a little bit, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer covered for about 20 minutes, and then our soup is ready. The red lentil will open up and will turn yellow when cooked, and that's why the soup is gonna have a lighter color than what you can see right now. The soup has come to a boil. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer covered for about 20 minutes until the lentils are fully cooked. The soup has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. It looks very good. It's all creamy. As you can see, the lentils have all broken. You can serve this as it is, but I'm going to serve it the classic way and blend it in the blender until it's creamy. I've blended the soup and look how creamy this is. With a drizzle of lemon juice and some Aleppo pepper, this would be the perfect appetizer. Okay, the soup is ready and I'm so excited to try it. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to it. Looking good. Let's give it a try. It's just so light and creamy. It makes the perfect lunch or dinner, or even as an appetizer, you can serve this. Now, if you give this a try, don't forget to give us a like and a comment and let me know how you like it. See you next time.